The horticulture sector in India is one of the fastest growing segments of agriculture. It includes the cultivation of fruits, vegetables, flowers, spices, plantation crops, and medicinal plants. Over the years, horticulture has become a key driver of agricultural diversification, income generation, and nutritional security in the country. What is horticulture? Horticulture refers to the science and practice of growing fruits, vegetables, flowers, and other crops for human consumption and commercial use. It is more intensive, high value, and profit oriented compared to traditional farming. Horticulture sector in India features. The horticulture sector in India is a high value and rapidly growing segment of agriculture that focuses on fruits, vegetables, flowers, and other crops. It plays a key role in increasing farmers' income, improving nutrition, and supporting economic development. High value crops. Horticulture focuses on crops like fruits, vegetables, and flowers that provide higher returns compared to traditional food grains. Crop diversification. It encourages farmers to shift from cereals to a variety of crops, reducing risk and improving farm sustainability. Intensive farming practice requires careful management, better inputs, and scientific technique to achieve higher productivity from limited land. Year round production. Different crops are grown in different seasons, ensuring continuous production and stable income for farmers. Employment generation creates large employment opportunities in cultivation, harvesting, processing, packaging, and marketing activities. Nutritional security provides essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber through fruits and vegetables, improving public health. Export potential. India exports many horticulture products like spices, fruits, and flowers, contributing to foreign exchange earnings. Support to food processing industry supplies raw materials for industries producing juices, jams, pickles, and other processed foods suitable for small farmers. Even small and marginal farmers can earn good income due to high productivity and profitability. Use of modern technology, adoption of drip irrigation, greenhouse farming, and improved seeds enhances efficiency and output. Regional specialization. Different regions grew specific crops based on climate and soil condition, increasing productivity and quality. Perishable nature. Most horticulture produce in perishable, requiring proper storage, cold chains, and transportation facilities. Contribution to agricultural growth. The sector contributes significantly to agricultural GDP and has surpassed food grain production in volume. Major segments of horticulture in India. Horticulture in India is broadly divided into several major segments based on the type of crops cultivated. These segments together contribute over 370 million tons of production annually, with fruits and vegetables dominating the sector. Fruits. Fruits are one of the most important segments of horticulture, contributing significantly to nutrition and export. India is the second largest producer of fruits in the world. Total fruit production 114.51 million tons 24-25. Major fruits mango, banana, apple, citrus, grapes, guava. India is the largest producer of banana, mango, and papaya globally. Key producing states Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat. Vegetables. Vegetable form the largest share of horticulture production in India and are the backbone of the sector. Total production 219.67 million tons 24-25. Share vegetables dominate overall horticulture output. Largest segment major vegetable potato, onion, tomato, cabbage, cauliflower. India ranks second globally in vegetable production. Leading states Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar. Plantation crops. These are long duration commercial crops grown mainly in tropical regions and are important for export earning. Major crops tea, coffee, rubber, coconut. India ranks first in coconut and arecanut production globally. Key regions Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Assam. Spices. India is known as the spices bowl of the world and is a global leader in spice production, consumption, and export. Major spice turmeric, pepper, cardamom, ginger, cumin. India is the largest producer, consumer, and exporter of spices, contributes significantly to agricultural exports. Floriculture, flowers. Floriculture includes the cultivation of flowers for decorative, cultural, and export purposes. Major flowers: rose, marigold, jasmine, orchid. Demand driven by festivals, weddings, and export markets. Rapid growth due to urbanization and lifestyle changes. Medicinal and aromatic plants. This segment includes plants and used in pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda. Example: tulsi, aloe vera, ashwagandha, lemongrass. Growing demand due to herbal and organic product trends, increasing importance in export and health industries. Nuts and dry fruits. Though smaller in share, this segment is gaining importance due to rising demand. Major crops: cashew, almond, walnut. India is a major producer and exporter of cashew. Key regions: Kerala, Goa, Maharashtra, Jammu and Kashmir. Government initiative for horticulture development. The Government of India has launched several schemes and missions to promote the growth of the horticulture sector through better infrastructure, technology, and financial support. Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture, centrally sponsored umbrella scheme covering fruits, vegetables, spices, flowers, and plantation crops, focuses on holistic development from production to post-harvest management, provides financial assistance for nurseries, irrigation, and protected cultivation, promotes organic farming and integrated pest management. Sub-schemes include NHM, HMNEH, and NBM. National Horticulture Mission launches to promote area expansion and productivity improvement, supports plantation of new orchards and rejuvenation of old ones, encourages use of high quality planting material, provides assistance for infrastructure like storage and marketing, focuses on states with high horticulture potential. Horticulture Mission for Northeast and Himalayan states, a special scheme for northeastern and Himalayan regions, promotes region-specific crops like spices, fruits, and flowers, supports organic horticulture and export-oriented production, focuses on infrastructure development and market access, encourages sustainable and eco-friendly farming. National Horticulture Board provides financial assistance for commercial horticulture projects, support cold storage, warehouses, and post-harvest infrastructure, promotes high-tech horticulture and modern practices, offers credit-linked subsidies to farmers and entrepreneurs, helps in improving market linkages and value chains. PM formalization of micro food processing enterprises aims to promote food processing and value addition, supports small units with credit, training, and branding assistance, encourages one district, one product approach, helps reduce wastage of horticulture produce, strengthen local supply chains and rural economy. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana micro irrigation promotes efficient water use through drip and sprinkle irrigation. Per drop more crop component focuses on horticulture crops, reduces water wastage and improves crop productivity, provides subsidies for installation of irrigation systems, especially useful for water intensive crops like fruits and vegetables. Operation Greens initially launched for top crops tomato, onion, potato, expanded to include more fruits and vegetables, aims to stabilize prices and reduce volatility, supports storage, transportation, and processing facilities, helps farmers get better prices and reduces consumer price fluctuation. Agricultural and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority promotes export of horticulture products, provides assistance for quality certification and packaging, supports development of export infrastructure, helps farmers connect with international markets, encourages branding of Indian horticulture produce. National Bamboo Mission focuses on development of the bamboo sector, promotes cultivation, processing, and marketing of bamboo, provides support for plantation and value addition, enhances income of farmers in forest and tribal areas, boosts eco-friendly and sustainable resources. Submission on seeds and planting material ensure availability of quality seeds and planting materials, support development of nurseries and seed infrastructure, promotes use of certified and disease-free plants, improves productivity and crop quality, strengthen the foundation of horticulture production. Challenges in horticulture sector. The horticulture sector in India has achieved significant growth, but it continues to face several serious challenges related to infrastructure, markets, and climate. India loses about 15 to 30% of horticulture produce annually, which is nearly 15 million tons due to poor post-harvest management and lack of storage facilities. The country has around 8,000 to 9,000 cold storage units with 40 million tons capacity, which is insufficient and unevenly distributed, especially lacking in rural areas. Price fluctuations are very common, with examples like tomato prices falling to rupee 2 to rupee 6 per kg, causing heavy loss to farmers during surplus production. Only about 10% of fruits and vegetables are processed in India, which is very low compared to developed countries, leading to limited value addition. More than 85% of farmers are small and marginal, making it difficult to adopt modern technologies and achieve large scale production. Horticulture crops are highly sensitive to climate change, and events like heat waves, unseasonal rains, and drought frequently damage crops and reduce yields. Pest and disease attacks are more common in horticulture crops, leading to reduced quality and increased cost of cultivation. Farmers often receive a lower share of the final price due to multiple intermediaries and weak market linkages. Poor transportation and lack of cold chain logistics causes spoilage during transit, especially for perishable fruits and vegetables. Storage losses in crops like onion can reach up to 30 to 40% due to spoilage and improper storage conditions. Export potential is limited due to issues like lack of quality standards, certification, and proper packaging infrastructure. Inefficient irrigation practices lead to water wastage, affecting productivity, especially in water source regions. Way forward: strengthen cold storage and supply chain infrastructure to reduce post harvest losses, which currently range between 15 to 30% of total produce, promote food processing and value addition to increase the processing level beyond the current 10%, creating better income opportunities. Encourage formation of farmer producer organization to help small farmers achieve economies of scale and improve bargaining power. Improve market linkage and direct marketing platforms like eNAM to reduce dependence on middlemen and ensure better price realization. Expand micro irrigation techniques such as drip and sprinkle system under per drop more crop to improve water use efficiency. Promote protected cultivation, greenhouses, polyhouses to protect crops from climate risk and increase productivity. Invest in research and development for high yielding, disease resistant, and climate resilient crop varieties. Strengthen extension services and farmer training to increase awareness about modern horticulture practices and technologies. Develop export infrastructure and quality classification system to boost India's share in global horticulture markets.